Springboro, here's what's happening this week in the 45066. We're offering our free concerts at North Park with COVID restrictions. Concerts are each Tuesday and Friday evening at the park located at 195 Tamarack Trail. The Friday night shows are also going to be streamed live on our Facebook page and website. Is Disney music part of your world? Please be our guest as the Little Mermaid perform all your Disney favorites at North Park at 7:30 p.m. on Friday, July 10th. Food trucks, beer sales, and concessions are available. Remember, you can also watch this concert live on our Facebook page, City of Springboro, Ohio. Either way, let it go and enjoy the show. On Tuesday, July 14th at 7 p.m., Velvet Crush takes the stage, so bring your dancing shoes. Concessions will be by Rotary Club of Springboro. And on Friday, July 17th, it's the Heart of Rock and Roll tribute show to Huey Lewis and the News. Showtime is 7:30 p.m. at North Park. That show will also stream live on our Facebook page and website. We are following county and state COVID-19 guidelines and restrictions. Please visit our website, ci.springboro.oh.us for details. The tax filing deadline is Wednesday, July 15th, and the City of Springboro Tax Office is open by appointment only. Visit our website, ci.springboro.oh.us, to make your appointment online. There are 3 options for appointments: in person, by phone, or by Zoom. Parks and playgrounds are open, including the splash pad at Casey Jane Park. A big Springboro thank you to the Hosfeld families, Brad and Chris and Lori, for making this wonderful contribution to our community. For more information about the City of Springboro, visit our website, ci.springboro.oh.us. And that's the Boro Buzz.